Live Free for us was a very comforting group of people, a wonderful team that came together to provide personal, thoughtful care for my parents as their needs developed and expanded through time, and was a just tremendously reassuring part of our parents' care. It was that sense of helping us in this big, new, difficult challenge we were facing as a family, and joining us with their perspective. This is something that a lot of people go through, but for us it was the first time. Listening to my parents, listening to us, and listening to their team so that we could develop a pattern of regular health care, of regular personal care and very supportive care to keep my parents at home and to keep them in the place they wanted to be more than any other place. My mother was in a rehab facility after having been in the hospital for serious surgery. And Jen was the one who went into the rehab facility and said, I think we can make it work back at home. I think there's a way we can get her to come back home. And I don't think any of us left to our own devices would have had that courage to make that choice and to see how it could happen. And it meant an enormous amount to us and to my parents to be back at home in their final months. It was a tremendously supportive team. It's obviously a difficult challenge that all of us face when we have parents who are getting older and need a little more help. It's a very emotional set of issues on the one hand. You feel a little bit helpless on the other hand. But knowing that there's a friendly voice on the other end of the phone, knowing that there's a team in place there that can give you answers that you trust, that can respond to concerns that you may have, some of them real, some of them imagined, that made an enormous difference for us and made an enormous difference for our parents.